Welcome to Light Flight Meditations. My name is Donna, and I'm so glad you're joining me today as we find stress relief, deep peace, and grounding. If it is possible to do this meditation outdoors, that would be fantastic. If not, you can just visualize what I'm saying during this meditation to guide you into the feelings. You can sit or lie down. Let your body feel comfortable and unrestricted in any way. Now gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Breathe in and become aware of the spaciousness around you. Feel your connection with the trees, the strength of their roots, and the ease at which the invisible wind moves their branches and leaves. Feel the connection to the birds, the insects as part of our world. Watch the gentle and smooth stream of air coming in and out of your nose, throat, chest, and belly. Notice as you focus on your breath how your body automatically and willfully relaxes. With each breath you take, there is a sense of letting go in all parts of your body. Let go of the feelings of tension in your neck, shoulders, your arms, your belly. Consciously let your next inhale travel into your lower back. On the exhale, intentionally relax all the back muscles. Let your belly relax and drop. Let it soften and become free of tension. Inhale and exhale again, and send the relaxing wave of oxygen into your legs and feet. Feel them drop heavy and release any tension. Soften any tension in your face, any strain in your eyes, your temples, your forehead, and your jaw. Bring an intention for your mind to leave any judgment, any expectation, or any negative thoughts behind, at least for the next little while. Let your mind be gentle and open. Let it be open to feel the spaciousness around you and open for possibilities. Bring your focus to your chest with gentle breathing. Let your breath reach your loving heart. Let your heart become unguarded and open, at least for a little while. Allow your breath to enter your heart space, delivering tranquility and stillness. On the exhale, feel the breath gently departing your heart space, leaving you even more at peace. Soften your whole chest. Soften your mind. Let it be light, curious, and expansive. Now imagine you are standing on a green and soft grassy trail in the middle of a meadow, covered with beautiful flowers, with a gorgeous aroma. The sunlight is bouncing off the green leaves all around you. You are standing barefoot, with your feet connected to the earth. You feel its gentle touch. The day is beautiful and sunny, with a blue sky and a few white fluffy clouds moving very gently above you. You feel a light, warm breeze on your skin. The surroundings, the sensations, and the smell. It all reminds you of something. perhaps a time in the past, maybe a carefree time in your life when you were feeling as lovely as you are feeling right now. Bring this happy memory of the feeling and the feeling of it into your present moment and let yourself enjoy it. Now bring yourself back to the path once again. You are walking with your bare feet on this path. Your arms are swaying. You reach out to touch the tall grass. It moves gently and makes a quiet sound. This sound blends into all the other sounds you hear around you. The bird flying and singing in the distance. The soft sounds of your steps. You are walking and curious and alive in the middle of this natural beauty that is your own and present within you. Come back to your breath. It is gentle and smooth. Your body is open and relaxed. Your mind is calm. As you are walking with your bare feet on the path, you notice beneath one of the trees there is a perfect spot to sit underneath. You sit down in this shady spot to enjoy the experience, the serenity that is surrounding you. You begin to feel a light wind and see the trees gently swaying. Take a few rounds of conscious inhales and exhales. Watch your breath travel like a wave through and across all parts of your body, easily and effortlessly. Let your organs, all muscles, and all tissue soften across your whole being. Allow your body to be calm and allow your mind to stay tranquil. Take in a deeper breath for the appreciation of life. Let it ripple up and down your whole body. Feel the wind pick up slightly as it moves the trees. Inhale the fresh oxygen. Relax. Let go. You are safe. You are exactly where you need to be. Keep breathing and letting go further and deeper, opening your mind and stretching yourself energetically, expanding and growing bigger. Expanding for new possibilities, new sensations within you, new happy life filled with new experiences. No matter how big or how small, joy is measured by one same value, a feeling. Now imagine yourself leaning back on a tree, leaning into it with a strong feeling of trust, to feel its full support. Feel the connection with this ancient and stunning giant, rooted deep down into the earth. Perhaps you can think of a memory when you felt fully supported by someone. Feel supported now by nature and the community that surrounds you. Your body is pleasantly relaxed and ever more expansive. In the far distance, you can see peaks of mountains standing solid and tall, adding depth and dimension to your world. You take in this part of life and notice with wonder the beauty and mystery. Take in another deep breath and inhale with contentment for the world you live in. Exhale and turn the corners of your lips upward slightly. Notice the sensory reaction that comes across your body just from this small action, and the sense of openness and possibility that arrives inside of you with this one simple action. Inhale and exhale. Revitalize your body. You are exactly where you need to be. You are safe. Relax and let go. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the tree supporting you from behind. Feel the loving embrace from Mother Nature. Now, visualize a golden cord in the middle of your head, going down through the center of your heart, down your spine, into your legs and feet, and from your feet into the center of the earth. This golden cord is plugged in the same way of the other trees and life on this planet, fully supported, loved, and grounded. Feel the energy of the earth through the golden cord into your being, into your feet, your legs, your hips, your chest, your heart, your arms, and your whole head and face. Feel all your cells being rejuvenated. Feel any emotional blocks melting away as the life force energy travels through your whole body. Inhale. Feel yourself being part of this whole world. Exhale with the strong sense of absolute belonging. This unseen world of nature within us and around us, how it functions in complete silence and peace. Take a few more conscious and soothing breaths. Surround yourself with a sense of peace. Within you, in this moment, by looking within you and around you, you feel, you know, and see that everything in this world has its place. Even the seasons change, and we all experience physical and emotional changes. But everyone, especially you, have your will, your power of choice, and how you want to feel in each moment. Feel the joy and ease that resides within you right now. Your life is like a gift you can unwrap in every moment. You choose, just like you did today, and you can fill yourself with the feeling of relaxation and appreciation. Make a conscious daily choice to travel within and observe the outside. Surround yourself with these kinds of feelings a lot more often. Just imagine how much your life can improve if you live with feelings of trust, joy, and simple happiness. Now become aware of your surroundings. Begin to feel your body in this space, your fingers and your toes. Become aware of becoming aware. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you again for joining me today. I hope this meditation has brought you a few moments of relaxation, joy, and hope within yourself. I look forward to guiding you in more meditations soon. Please think of subscribing, liking, or commenting on the video. If there is any subject you might want to meditate on, let me know. I will do the best to make that happen. Namaste.